All right, so here's the chapter I think y'all been waiting for. Now, this is an interesting little anomaly here. Chapter 12 ends at verse 17, but some manuscripts have a verse 18. Verse 18 says, this is how it reads from the Nestle Island. It says, Kai estate epitane amon tes dalases, which that translates to, and he stand, or he stood, right, or he's standing upon, or he was standing, I'm sorry, he was standing upon the sand of the seashore. That he is actually the dragon. And that's actually what this line right here is. Except this isn't John speaking. Yeah, this is how the Byzantine has it, but this is inaccurate. The Byzantine says, then I found myself standing on the seashore, but really it should say, and the dragon was standing on the seashore. And why is the dragon standing on the seashore? Well, he's waiting for the beast. The beast is supposed to come out of the sea, but he's waiting for two beasts. And what does he want to do? Destroy the rest of the women's children, the Christians. So as the dragon is standing on the sea of the sand of the seashore, John saw a monster with 7 heads and 10 horns, the beast, crawl up out of the sea. Now, the sea generally represents the Gentiles. So this beast is coming from he comes from among the Gentiles, the nations, ethnos. On each of his 10 horns was a diadem, and on each head were sacrilegious names of blasphemy. I can best describe the beast as a leopard, but with the feet of a huge bear and a lion's mouth. Now, this is that fourth beast that Daniel saw in his vision. And it is very much so understood and always has been understood that this beast represents the Roman Empire. It was the last empire that would come before the Messiah would come. And the Messiah was supposed to come in the midst of this particular empire. Daniel 7, picking up at verse 19, he says, then I desired to know the exact meaning of the fourth beast, which was different from all the others, extraordinarily fearsome, and his teeth of iron, and his claws of bronze, and which devoured, crushed, and trampled down the remainder with its feet, and the meaning of the 10 horns which were on its head, and the other horn which came up, and before which three of them fell. Namely, that horn which had eyes and a mouth speaking great boasts, and which was larger in appearance than its associates. I'm running out of time in this vid, but we'll pick this up again in the next one.